Good afternoon, dear students. Please pay attention to this picture. Look at this picture and tell me, what do you see, and guess what are we going to speak about? You can say in your language. Today we will learn vocabulary for holidays, season, weather and month, and talk about the weather in your country. Pay attention to this picture. Here are 4 seasons and months. Listen very attentively and repeat.
December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, winter.
Okay, very good. Now, please tell me, when is your birthday? You should use the name of the month. For example, my birthday is in November, or my birthday is in April. Good. Let's check how you have remembered new words. You have a task. Write the month to the correct seasons. The example is given. For example, February is the winter month. Don't hurry. Now, you can check yourself at this slide. Good. Read the question in the middle. What is the weather like? Look at the first picture, listen and repeat. It's hot and sunny. It's raining. It's windy. It's snowing. It's cloudy. And the last is it's cold.
Weather. Cloudy.
Cloudy,
It's cloudy. Cold.
cold,
It's cold. Foggy.
foggy,
It's foggy. Hot.
hot,
It's hot. Raining.
raining,
It's raining. Snowing.
snowing,
It's snowing. Stormy.
stormy,
It's stormy. Sunny.
sunny,
It's sunny. Windy.
windy,
It's windy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cold. It's foggy. It's hot. It's raining. It's snowing. It's stormy. It's sunny. It's windy.
Now, you have a task. You should match the sentences 1 to 10 to the drawings. For example, the first sentence. It is raining. What picture is it? Of course, it is picture D. Continue doing it. You have time to check your task. Let's talk about the weather in your country. You should answer the questions. For example, the first question. What is the weather like in summer in your country? It is hot and sunny. Now answer the second question. What is the weather like in spring in your country? The third question. What is the weather like in autumn in your country? And the last question. What is the weather like in winter in your country? Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.